Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop fake clicks in Google Ads. First, log in to Google Ads. On the home page, go to Campaigns. This is where you manage everything. Click Insights and Reports, then Report Editor. In the Report Editor, find Free Clicks. This shows clicks Google thinks are invalid. Analyze these clicks, look for suspicious patterns like repeated IPs or weird locations. Use IP exclusions or location targeting to block them. Check regularly. Fake clicks drain your budget. Keep your ads reaching real customers and boosting sales. And that's it. That's how to stop fake clicks in Google Ads. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.